Morning everybody and welcome back to Clowne. Just come down to see what they're getting up to this week. I did an update video about a year ago just before Remembrance Sunday and I came and did the intro from here just by the pit wheel. It doesn't feel like a year ago that.
Leave that up. Do it.
Yeah.
I know it's
Just all this concrete, but we think this is old platform.
Right, so
It's old platform.
we've had more platform uncovered then that we're...
I think that's what these. I mean, look, stone that's going out.
You can see there's a little bit more track laying being done. They're just putting another length of track just so it disappears by the platform and into this artificial ramp that's been created over the years.
In line now.
Yeah.
But it's rocking on that, it's dropping low now.
Yeah, it wants to be
Because it's rocking on that one there.
this one.
Yeah.
There, look, that's it. For a brick block underneath. Yeah.
Give it half an inch there.
Try that.
That's not far out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
This rail's
it's
bigger.
this one here, look. You tap that one across.
Yeah, this rail's bigger. Yeah, that'll go, Adam.
Yeah. It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah. You'll have a jutting rail there. Isn't it?
Oh, a little gift. All right, oh, that's lovely. Clowne, a village, villages past in pictures. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, there's the other station, isn't it? Lovely, thank you. Getting away as usual. So there's been some more extensions to the platforms. I'm assuming we're doing the same on this side with the rails going into the ground then, are we?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Just the idea is to make it look as though the rails are disappearing into the ground, because people would sometimes think the rails go uphill.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not an incline.
Yeah.
No. Not like a mountain railway.
Obviously this is artificial because when they created the path down to the greenway from the top,
Yeah, it's there.
they created this, I don't know what you call it, access, a ramp down to here.
Same size then, rails then. Shouldn't they? Good idea. Put it on video, chaps.
Hey,
I think we're on video.
going into 50 pounds now.
Yeah. I'll try into that scissors. It's somewhere on it. Give up his wanted to cut that.
I saw this when Ant came down a few months ago from Trekking Exploration. A silhouette of the Fat Controller. Is there a likeness? For the new rails and sleepers, kindly donated by I can't remember the name of the company now. A Cowley, is it? You know, down near Turnerwood, just on the side of the canal.
There's a bit of rust on them though, isn't there? that. See how it squashed it in?
What are you mixing cement for? Is it for the platform edge?
Yeah, just going to finish that platform.
And then John's busy at work fabricating some lamps for the tops of the lampposts on the platforms. Not expecting to dig out any more bits of old platform, are you?
Hopefully not. I think we've got most on it out now.
So we're inside the tunnel here. Look, that's looking back out towards the platforms. One of the most common questions we get is, where does the tunnel go? Because it's filled in, it looks dark behind you. You can't actually see the other end. In fact, you can't see the other end when you're in here. It was infilled. It's very dark. Don't know why I'm pointing the camera. You won't be able to see anything. When I do these videos, I like to include a little bit extra, a little look around something local or something related to the railway line. And I thought I'd just show you where the railway line went through Clowne. So have a walk down what used to be the railway line, out of the tunnel, through the cut-in, and out the north of Clowne. I think it is the north, isn't it? Northeasterly direction. No, that's not right, is it? Anyway, that way. I'll bring you up here, it's a good vantage point just to illustrate. So into the tunnel we go. Here's the station building, just in front. Get around this narrow piece of road. And we can see the alignment, look. We'll be shooting off that way. See where that white car's just heading down that road? The tunnel's not a long tunnel at all. Well, let's go and see if we can just figure out exactly where the end of the tunnel is. Or was, should I say. So there's the station. Nag's Head, just to the right of me. And there's this old photograph that Adam's just been showing me down at the tunnel mouth. Just trying to line up exactly where the photograph was taken. I think it's the other side of the road, if I'm being honest. Yeah, it's about here, isn't it? Because I'm getting the same perspective. So, yeah, look. So the tunnel, pretty much, I suppose, is in the middle of the road, isn't it? The end of the tunnel portal. And that's where it was buried. That photo was taken in around 2003 when the Tesco arrived. And at that time, they built this new road on the top of the cut-in. And I'll just cross the road because it looks like the railway line straight-lined its way, pretty much just level with this sign and this bush here, and then went to the right of the roundabout that we're just about to see in front. It just clings to the right here as we go past Tesco car park. And I suppose roughly where this path is down here, look. Now there is that drone photo that's got the overlay of the line on. I'll just flash on screen again because from here it does get a little bit more. Well, it's not really visible there, is it? But it goes into people's gardens. But we can pick up evidence of the railway line on Beighton Lane, or Beighton Lane. And there's the bridge. This is Beighton Lane, and there's the line. Look, you can see the bridge, both bridge sides here. So it's infilled back towards Clowne Station that way. But just look over to the right here. Look at the size. There's cut-in. Wow, love to have a look down there, I really would. You can see that the craggy cliff sides of the cutting, look, that is some deep cutting, that is impressive. More platform building going on there then.
That's it. It's just going to disappear into the ground, so it looks more authentic then. It's a bit of an amateur.
Don't know. Doing a better job than I could do, I'm sure.
Bless you.
You can see the difference in the wear in these two sets of rails, look. And that would make a clickety clack.
Not much.
I don't think that's a bit more. Start banging that in there and then slowly. Yeah. You'd be better off putting a piece
It's underneath the wall, I think, Adam Lee's.
or have a short sleeper.
Track lane, platform building, quite an exciting morning, lots going off down at the site today. We'll be back soon enough for another update, a look at how they're getting on. But for now, cheers for watching, take care, we'll see you soon.